Are you serious, Harmony? Good morning, YouTube. See, we already got a remote started, but we got snow laid down, so we're gonna need that 4x4 activated for real today. We're about to get it cracking. We gotta make some errands. We're gonna run to the Maple Biscuit Company, get some breakfast. Kiddo out of school today. Big round. 4x4. Good morning, YouTube. Beautiful morning out here, Tennessee. Like I said, we got snow. A little bit of snow. Might be slick. We're gonna put it in 4x4, see what happens. Main roads is clear, but the back roads actually got stuff on it.
What?
Me, what? I don't know what she said.
You will arrive at your destination at 9:45 a.m.
Maple Street Biscuit. We are en route.
The pink blob.
Early morning too. 9:40. 9:42 in the morning. Everybody got their 4x4s out. Truck out. Oh, we got another round truck beside us. Bighorn. Yeah, Sersky. Let me see that menu over there, Harmony. Pass me that menu. You show the YouTube the menu. Maple Street Biscuit Company. Signature chicken biscuits, biscuit plates, bowls, waffles. I got this Sweet Grace chocolate chip waffle, strawberries, whipped cream, powdered sugar, and maple syrup. Gas. Breakfast tacos, weekend breakfast bundle, kids meal, sidekicks. Crab coffee. What kind of coffee did y'all get?
Caramel toffee crunch.
Oh, it came out yet? We're in Academy Sport. They just put these pants out. These Carcos out. Nike Tech suit. You know I had to get it. Come with the toboggan. The jacket too. Just came out of Academy. Yes, sir. Kiddo got a Stanley. Let me see it. She got another Stanley. That's like 3 Stanleys. And what is this dude doing with the... This dude has a dealer tag drilled in the paint, gang. Y'all let me know in the comments y'all ever seen something like that before. I'm in a Ram truck. 21 degrees outside. Really feeling like it's 11 degrees. Make sure our heated seats is on. Harmony, you got your heated seat on? Alright. About to hit that roll. About to get back to the Bribbo. Dude hopped out of there with that thing drilled in the back of the paint, dog. Crazy. It's trash day. It's trash day and it ain't got no warmer out here. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Sun trying to poke through the mountains. Y'all go outside, hurry up. About to get in here, have me a smoke. I gotta go up the road. And I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna take y'all with me this morning. Y'all seen the video yesterday I uploaded. Baby had her first little snow. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share the video. I'm coming back today with another vlog, country vlogs. Y'all tap in. Catch y'all in just a little bit. Got a plane up there somewhere. Baby warming up. She dirty. Got salt on her. About to get us some Chick-fil-A. About to get me some Chick-fil-A. Pushing that 80. Cool little 80-piece nugget on the E-way. Everybody out working today. Traffic everywhere. Yeah, Sarsky. Bag secured, you know what's going on. I mean, salt everywhere, dog. About to make a run. Raising Cane's. Come on, let's go. Let's get in the crate. Come on. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Look at all that salt. I don't even think y'all. Yeah, y'all can see it a little bit, maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna get a shot back either today or tomorrow morning. I'm gonna upload this video when we get back though. On the Raising Cane's. So warm already. You heated up back there, Harmony? Are you heated up back there? Need to clean the garage out. Got an old washer, dryer over there and stuff. Traffic is crazy over here on Cedar Bluff. On a Saturday. Good evening, Knoxville. About to head to the Chick-fil-A, about to head to the Krispy Kreme donuts. Yeah, Sersky. Man, I'm sorry, YouTube. I'll be lacking. I'm not showing y'all all the food and stuff. I'll be so hungry. There's like 2 donuts left. And the most basic donuts. I had 2 of these right here. I'm getting the last one. I also had a raspberry filled She had a chocolate glazed and a strawberry sprinkled. And I think there was something else. I can't even remember. But I'm about to end the night off with this right here. I'm about to get on a game with my brethrens. Y'all comment, like, subscribe, share the video. I appreciate everybody supporting the channel and liking the video, man. We're trying to grow this small YouTube channel. Look at my cat right here, Shayla. Shayla. My little Shayla girl. Oh, yeah. Y'all comment, like, subscribe, share the video, gang. Country Vlogs out. About to drop some content tomorrow for you guys. I'm gonna wash the truck, go get a shop vac. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Comment, like, subscribe, share the video. Love, gang.